guard number 3, Paul Lee. Also at guard number 23, Roger Bmeg. At center number 28, J.R. Kenyatta. At forward number 2, Jamel Corley. And also at forward number 6, China Ibanez. Head coach of the Alaska Painters is Yang Yao. And now the starting lineup for your Bmeg. And guard number 2, Josh Revisado. Also at guard number 18, James Young. At center number 95, Yossi Del Pablo. At forward number 23, Marcus Whiteley. And also at forward number 4, Rafi Rivas. And coach of the Bulldogs is Tim Coe. Our referee to the ball game are Peter Pablo, Nestor Zambrano, and Gray Yelton, with Jimmy Mariano as alternate referee. This game is under the supervision and regulation of the Games and Amusement Sport. It's the Alaska Raiders versus the Bulldogs. Suck up.